Lasswell's four-word formula, who gets what, when, how, functions as an operational checklist for political analysis. Now we unpack each element and show how scholars deploy these prompts to map relevant actors, specify the stakes at issue, identify crucial temporal windows, and trace the concrete mechanisms through which political outcomes are produced. Who? Start by naming the actors. Politics happens among people in organized groups, entrenched elites who control offices and resources, counter-elites who challenge them, intermediaries, party operatives, bureaucrats, union leaders, religious heads, who translate pressure into policy, and mass publics whose votes, protests, or everyday compliance shape what is possible. Crucially, who is less about identity than capacity, who can coordinate, who can endure the costs of struggle, and who can convert resources into effective influence. Gets what? Next, identify the stakes. Political contests are contests over tangible and intangible goods, money and budgets, legal rights and property, offices and appoints public services like health and schools, regulatory privileges, and even recognition or status. Some outcomes look like public goods, roads, clinics. Others look like private rents or privileges that benefit a narrow group. Tracing who stands to gain or lose makes the conflict concrete and shows the incentives behind actors' moves. When? Timing changes everything. When points you to agenda setting, policy windows, and sequencing. Crises, elections, scandals, or sudden market shifts open moments when previously blocked demands can pass. Conversely, bad timing closes windows. Defeated coalitions, economic downturns, or elite bargains can freeze change for years. Analysts therefore ask, what precedes reform? What must be done first to build credibility? And when is a window likely to open again? Good strategy is often less about what to do than when to do it. How? Finally, explain the mechanisms, the channels through which allocations are produced. These include formal institutions and procedures, committees, courts, bureaucratic rules, persuasion and communication, campaigns, media framing, propaganda, market incentives and transactions, and coercive force, law enforcement, sanctions. Importantly, these mechanisms interact. Persuasion shapes public opinion, which alters legislative incentives. Procedures can codify bargains. Enforcement turns paper rights into real protections. Put together, these four prompts form a compact analytic routine. Map the actors, list the stakes, locate the timing, and trace the channels. Use it as your first pass on any case. You'll spot leverage points, likely bottlenecks, and the realistic levers for change.